are pleased to show you the 2020 Jeep Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator is just the off-road truck that Jeep fans have been waiting on. Enjoy the functionality of a truck while retaining the off-road capability. You'll fall in love with this Jeep Gladiator. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, stability control, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, alloy wheels, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, four-wheel drive, floor mats, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.